Have you ever looked at your dog after they chewed your shoe, knocked over the trash, or barked at you, and suddenly they avoid eye contact, lower their head, and slowly walk toward you like they know something went wrong? And in that moment, you probably think, is my dog actually saying sorry? But here's the strange part. Most dog owners completely misunderstand what is really happening in that moment. Your dog may not use words, but their body is sending signals that are thousands of years old, signals designed to repair relationships, calm tension, and reconnect with the humans they love most. Before we decode those signals together, make sure you're subscribed to Dr. Uz Health Talk, where we explore the fascinating science behind dog behavior, health, and the emotional intelligence of our four-legged companions. If you love your dog and want to understand them better, you're in the right place. Now imagine this scene. You walk into the living room and see pieces of paper all over the floor. Your dog notices you've seen the mess. Suddenly, their ears drop, their tail moves slowly, and they approach you carefully, almost like they're testing the mood in the room. It feels like guilt, but what you're actually seeing is something even more interesting. Dogs are masters of social harmony. Long before they lived with humans, their wolf ancestors survived in packs, where maintaining peace was critical. Conflict inside the group could mean injury, exile, or death. So evolution gave them a powerful toolkit of behaviors designed to calm others down. And when your dog senses tension from you, those ancient instincts switch on. One of the first things many dogs do is something so subtle that most people miss it entirely. They turn their head away. It may look like they're ignoring you, but in canine language, turning the head is one of the most polite gestures a dog can make. It's their way of saying, "I don't want trouble. Let's calm down." You'll often see this when a dog approaches slowly while avoiding direct eye contact. Direct staring in the animal world can be a challenge. By looking away, your dog is lowering the intensity of the moment. It's a peace signal. And if you pay close attention, you may notice another behavior appear right after that, a small, quick lick of the lips. Not because food is nearby. Lip licking is one of the most common stress signals in dogs. When tension rises, whether it's confusion, fear, or simply sensing your disappointment, their nervous system activates small, calming behaviors like this. It's almost like the dog's internal system is trying to reset itself. Some dogs will also yawn in these situations, and this confuses many owners. They think the dog is bored or sleepy. But when yawning happens right after tension or conflict, it's usually a biological calming signal. Your dog is literally trying to reduce stress, both theirs and yours. In fact, animal behaviorists often call these appeasement signals. They're designed to say one thing very clearly: peace. But the communication doesn't stop there. Sometimes your dog will quietly follow you after the moment passes, not directly beside you, but a few steps behind, from the kitchen to the living room, from the living room to the hallway, almost like a tiny satellite orbiting a planet. This behavior can feel a little mysterious, but what your dog is actually doing is checking the emotional temperature of the room. They want to reconnect, but cautiously, so they stay close enough to monitor you while still giving you space. It's a silent question. Are we okay? Another fascinating signal appears when a dog gently nudges you with their nose. Not a push, not demanding attention, just a light touch against your hand or leg. That tiny nudge carries a lot of meaning in dog language. It's a social reset. Dogs often use physical contact to rebuild connection, the same way humans might place a hand on someone's shoulder after an argument. It's simple, but emotionally powerful. And sometimes the message becomes even clearer. Your dog may bring you something: a toy, a ball, their favorite squeaky treasure. At first glance, it might seem random, but many dogs offer objects after tension as a form of social offering. In the wild, sharing resources can strengthen bonds within a group. So when your dog drops a toy near you after conflict, they may be inviting interaction again, not as a bribe, but as a way of saying, "Let's reset." Then there's one behavior that melts almost every dog owner's heart: the lean. Your dog slowly presses their body against your leg, standing quietly beside you. No jumping, no barking, just gentle pressure. Scientists sometimes refer to this as a form of deep pressure contact. Physical closeness releases calming hormones in both humans and dogs. It reduces stress and strengthens social bonds. To your dog, leaning against you can feel like the safest place in the world. And if the emotional moment continues, many dogs escalate to the ultimate trust gesture. They roll over and expose their belly. Now, this is where misunderstandings happen. People assume belly exposure always means rub my stomach, but in dog communication, showing the belly can also be a powerful display of vulnerability. It tells the other individual, I trust you completely. I am not a threat. It's the opposite of aggression. It's surrender in the most peaceful sense. And perhaps the most personal signal of all is licking. When a dog gently licks your hand, your arm, or even your face, it can carry deep social meaning. Puppies lick their mother's mouth as a bonding behavior. Wolves lick higher-ranking pack members to reinforce peaceful relationships. That instinct never disappeared. So when your dog offers those small apology kisses, they may simply be trying to reconnect emotionally, not out of guilt in the human sense, but out of loyalty, attachment, and a desire to keep the bond strong. And that bond is incredibly powerful. Dogs have spent thousands of years evolving beside humans. They've learned to read our expressions, our tone of voice, our posture, even the smallest shift in our mood. In many ways, they understand us better than we understand them. So the next time your dog knocks something over, steals a sock, or makes a mess, and then approaches you with soft eyes, slow movements, and gentle signals, pause for a moment. Look closely. You might not be seeing a guilty dog. You might be seeing a social animal doing everything it knows to restore peace with the person it loves most. And once you begin to recognize these signals, something beautiful happens. Instead of frustration, you start seeing communication. Instead of misunderstanding, you see emotional intelligence. Your dog isn't just reacting to you, they're trying to stay connected with you. And when we respond with calm energy, patience, and understanding, we strengthen one of the most extraordinary relationships humans have ever formed with another species. Because to your dog, the relationship with you isn't just important, it's their entire world. And sometimes the quiet way they try to fix things says more than words.